Hi everyone, this is Shweta. Welcome to the Innovative Workspace. In our previous video, we have learned about how we can export the Power Apps gallery data into an Excel sheet. Let me show you with an example. Here you can see this is liquid. If I am selecting another noodles, I am exporting it. It is downloaded in my local with two products. With the heading is price, product description, and product name. Now the concern is when we are doing the export to Excel, on that time the columns is arranged alphabetically. Now suppose the client is asking that I need product name on first column and price on second column. So how we can customize the column order in Excel? Let's see in this video. Go to your flow which we have implemented for the export to Excel. Before to create CSV table, add one action over here. Parse JSON, select it. Under content, you can pass this file and the schema. So for schema, go to your Power Apps, add one label. In this label, pass the variable which we are using for the JSON. Copy where CSV file, select this label. On the text property, pass this variable. Now play app. I am selecting liquid. Click on export. You can see a JSON is created. Copy this and under schema, click on this generate from sample. Click on it, paste it, and then done. Next step is add from the data operation. You can choose a select. Click on data operation. Here we have option for the select. Under from, you can pass the body which comes from the parse JSON. And here first column I want product name. In product name you can do product name. Second column I want price. Third column I want product description. Under create CSV table, remove this existing formula which we have implemented in previous video and pass the output of the select. Save. After save, go to your Power Apps. Remove this label. We don't need this. Refresh your flow. Play app. Now select noodles. Export. You can see First column is product name, second price, third is product description. Thanks for watching.